Ladies and gents, gearheads and gravel goblins, today we're diving into the full specifications of the 2026 Zontes 368G Enduro. It's not just a bike, it's a caffeinated cheetah on two wheels with a PhD in tech wizardry. The 368 cubic centimeters engine has a high compression ratio of 11.8 to 1, which can achieve a power output of 28.5 kilowatts and 40 Nm, with low fuel consumption. The newly designed transmission system is quieter, quicker to start and smoother to engage. The oil cooler can effectively reduce the oil temperature when the engine is running at high speed, and at the same time reduce the engine warm-up time, improving the engine. Working conditions: the maintenance cycle is extended from 4,000 kilometers to 6,000 kilometers. Newly designed muffler. The new smoked black muffler design is smaller in size, lighter in weight, and provides smoother exhaust. Dual engine mapping modes for leisure and sports riding. The dual modes of leisure and sport can be switched by pressing the M button on the right-hand button cluster. T is leisure mode and S is sport mode, meeting the different needs of long-distance motorcycle travel and rapid urban driving. Sofa-grade seat cushions. The standard front and rear seat heating sofa-grade cushions are spacious and comfortable. The front and rear seat heating is independently controlled and adjustable in 3 levels. It is equipped with pneumatic damping rods, making opening and closing more convenient and smoother. Newly tuned front and rear shock absorbers. Equipped with MZKS front 41mm shock absorbers, it has adjustable recovery damping and compression damping functions. The rear shock absorber has a 5-stage preload adjustment function, which can be freely adjusted according to personal preference. 8-inch TFT full-color LCD screen instrument. Equipped with a high-performance quad-core processor, it boots up in seconds, has an operational response delay of less than 10 milliseconds, and operates smoothly in extreme environments ranging from -30 degrees to 85 degrees. It features the first intelligent integrated control of 3 electric systems, allowing for on-the-go adjustment of heated handlebars and front and rear heated seats. 4 user interfaces are available for your choice, supporting mobile phone connectivity, screen mirroring, and OTA remote updates. Practical features include music playback, caller ID and answering, tire pressure monitoring, automatic display brightness adjustment, and real-time monitoring of vehicle data and faults. The latest Bosch electronic throttle and electronic fuel injection system integrates cruise control, headlight control, fan control, sports and leisure dual modes, and other functions. The vehicle's fuel efficiency and operating quality have been comprehensively optimized. The newly added cruise control function allows the driver to relax his right hand in good road conditions, reducing driving fatigue and improving long-distance driving comfort. The throttle opening and fuel injection amount can improve fuel efficiency and save fuel consumption. The precise control of speed is more stable and safer than manual operation. Breaking the rules and breaking the boundaries. Shihu opposed 4-piston radial calipers, equipped with an enlarged disc brake. Emergency braking is stable and the braking distance is short, effectively improving braking efficiency. 17.5-liter large-capacity fuel tank. Enjoy long-distance motorcycle travel without worries. 6Ah lithium battery. Smaller size, lighter weight, better low-temperature discharge performance, and longer service life. Front and rear vacuum wire spoke rims. The spin-formed rim and side-pull spoke arrangement make the overall rim lighter, tougher and more impact-resistant. Water oil dual cooling system. The powerful assistance that allows the high-performance engine to fully exert its power prevents the water temperature from exceeding the limit. The oil-cooled radiator makes cold engines starting smoother. High-performance tires, Changshin Adventure-specific high-performance tires. Intelligent control to experience new travel fun. The 3.0 generation keyless control system supports communication and real-time communication with ECU, instrument, etc. Equipped with 4G, GPS and Bluetooth functions, mini key and intimate sensing, it awakens full power for every trip. Zhonghe Intelligent has vehicle management functions, including remote control of vehicles, reading vehicle data, authorizing others to use the vehicle, recording driving tracks and remote upgrades. The new generation of app integrates functions such as instrument panel projection navigation, OTA, DVR viewing, playback and download, making your travel more convenient with the power of wisdom. Front and rear dual camera driving recorder. Equipped with Starlight level night vision sensor, 140 degrees ultra-wide angle lens, f1.8 large aperture, 128 GB large capacity storage space. Achieve 1080p high-definition full-time recording, allowing you to fully enjoy the fun of modern technology. Tire pressure monitoring system, not just tire pressure, but tire temperature as well. It will effectively avoid tire blowouts and safeguard your travels. 5-way adjustable windshield. To meet the needs of different riders, the windshield is widened and raised, directing the oncoming wind to the top of the head, and all around, making the scooter comfortable for long-distance motorcycle travel. Headlights have minimal light decay, and a long lifespan make nighttime driving safer. 4 LED lens modules deliver high brightness and a wide illumination range. Integrated stainless steel guardrail with added LED spotlights. The steering handlebars can be adjusted in 2 positions, front and back, so the rider can freely control the handle position for a more comfortable riding position. Electronic fuel cap lock, intelligent anti-theft, easy opening and closing, eliminating the need for keys. The dual-channel ABS system allows the driver to control the vehicle calmly when encountering emergencies. Whether on sand, rain or snow, the Bosch ABS system gives the rider enough confidence. Traction control system. Under control of the electronic throttle optimization. Can store 2 XXL helmets, electric heated handlebars, parking function brake, aluminium front and rear footrests. Dual charging USB ABDC ports. Sorry if I have missed anything, yet I am sure you agree it's a caffeinated cheetah on 2 wheels with a PhD in tech wizardry. Until next time.